New Zealand history. Meals. An interview with a 90-year-old New Zealand woman. What did you used to eat for breakfast?
Well, we had porridge that my mother made, or I think when Weet-Bix came in, we used to have Weet-Bix or porridge.
Weet-Bix kids are Kiwi kids,
Yes.
like the song says. What did you used to have for lunch?
Sandwiches, jam sandwiches, and perhaps one biscuit that my mother had cooked.
You didn't buy the biscuits from the
No, you didn't
supermarket?
buy biscuits, no.
Very different now.
Yes.
And what did you used to have for dinner?
Meat and vegetables, stews, roast beef, a piece of beef, and then we had vegetables with it because Dad had a big garden and we used to get our potatoes and vegetables from the garden.
So how often did your family go to the supermarket?
Well, there weren't supermarkets. There was a grocer, just a little shop, a grocery. We got stuff once a week. Mum would go into town and get it on Fridays.
I see, so Friday.
And we had cows, so we got the milk from the cows at home.
Of course, so you didn't need to go and buy the milk.
No.
And did you used to have snacks, morning tea, afternoon tea, smoko time?
No, not really. You may only just have an apple or something. Just an apple.
Very different from now, where everybody enjoys it. Thank you. Grammar. Used to versus would. Used to. We use this for past habits or situations that are not true now. For example, I used to eat rice for dinner, but now I eat potatoes. She used to be a teacher, but now she isn't. Would. We use this for past habits that are not true now. Used to is always okay to use. Sometimes we can't use would. The two differences between used to and would. Number one, we use would with repeated actions. We can't use would with be, have, live, like, love, understand. They are not repeated. So we can't say she would be a teacher. We say she used to be a teacher. But I visited Grandma many times. I repeated it a lot. So I can say, I would visit Grandma. I used to visit Grandma. Both are okay. Number two, we must use a past time period when we use would. I would visit Grandma. We can't use this. I would visit Grandma when I was little is okay. When I was little is the time it happened. I used to visit Grandma. Often we say used to in the first sentence. Then we use would or the past simple ed in the next sentences. I used to live in Japan. I would speak Japanese every day when I lived in Japan. I'd cook Japanese food. Sometimes I cooked Kiwi food too. Pronunciation. Used to and use. Use as a verb has a sound. I use my car every day. Yesterday I used my car. Use as a noun has a s sound. It's no use. Used to always has a s sound. We say too quickly to sound like I used to eat meat, but now I don't. I used to drive, but now I take the bus. Let's try. She used to use scissors, but now she uses a knife. Pronunciation, used to, and stress. Remember, used to has this sound. Say too quickly to sound like used to, didn't used to. Stress, or say loudly the words in capital letters. Let's try. Number 1. I used to walk to school. I used to walk to school. Number 2. We used to live in Auckland. We used to live in Auckland. Number 3. She used to eat kumara for dinner. She used to eat kumara for dinner. Number 4. He used to play rugby on Saturdays. He used to play rugby on Saturdays. Number 5. They used to work in a factory. They used to work in a factory. Number 6. I didn't used to drink coffee. I didn't used to drink coffee. Number 7. We didn't used to celebrate Christmas. We didn't used to celebrate Christmas. Number 8. She didn't used to drive a car. She didn't used to drive a car. Number 9. He used to take the bus every day. He used to take the bus every day. Number 10. I used to buy fish and chips every Friday. I used to buy fish and chips every Friday. Pronunciation. Tongue twisters. Remember, the red S has a Z sound. Number 1. Did you used to use the scissors or did you use a knife? I used to use scissors, but now I use a knife. Number 2. Did you used to use the bus or did you use your bike? I used to use the bus, but now I use my bike. Number 3. Did they used to use this house for music or for daily use? They used to use it for music, but now it's in daily use. Number 4. Did you used to use your phone for calls or did you use it only for messages? I used to use it for calls, but now I use it for messages. Number 5. Did he used to use the library a lot? He used to use the library, but now he uses the internet. Number 6. Did you used to use paper maps or your phone? I used to use paper maps, but now I use my phone. Pronunciation, used to, and stress in questions and answers. Number 1. Did you used to live in Australia Did you used to live in Australia? Number 2. Did you used to play rugby? Did you used to play rugby? Number 3. Did you used to go to the beach in summer? Did you used to go to the beach in summer? Number 4. Did you used to eat lamb? Did you used to eat lamb? Number 5. Did you used to walk to school? Did you used to walk to school? Number 6. Did you used to work in a shop? Did you used to work in a shop? Number 7. Did you used to ride a bike every day? Did you used to ride a bike every day? Number 8. Did you used to watch cricket? Did you used to watch cricket? Number 9. Did you used to drive a car in your country? Did you used to drive a car in your country? Number 10. Did you used to write letters to your friends? Did you used to write letters to your friends? The answers are, yes, I did. I used to. Yes, I did. I used to. No, I didn't. I didn't used to. No, I didn't. I didn't used to. I used to, but now I used to, but now I. Discussion. Past habits with used to. Number 1. What's something you used to do when you were little, but you don't do now? Number 2. What's something you didn't used to do in your home country, but you do now in New Zealand? Number 3. What food did you used to eat often when you were young? Number 4. In New Zealand, children used to walk or bike to school more often than they do now. How is it in your country? Number 5. People in New Zealand used to write letters or send postcards. What about in your country? Number 6. Many Kiwis used to spend long summer holidays at the beach or batch holiday house. Is this similar to your country? Review. My life in New Zealand. Talk about your life now. In my home country, I used to. Now in New Zealand, I didn't used to. Now I do. In my previous job, I used to. I would often. I would always.